Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to use Steam for beginners. So in order to use Steam, the first thing we have to do is open up Steam. So you can go to the website. So to go to website, open up a browser and search for Steam. And here is the Steam website, open it up. So you can use Steam from the website version, from the web browser version, but it's best to install the app. To install the app, you'll see an Install Steam button on the top right corner, and click on the Install Steam button. This will open another page, and here you can see another Install Steam button. Click on this so that Steam will download the setup files. So as you can see, the setup files have been downloaded. So click on this and install Steam, and you'll be asked to log in or create an account, and you'll create and log in an account. So here is my Steam. So this is what the Steam app looks like once you've installed it. So there are three main sections I want to show you. The first one is the store. So Steam is basically a game launcher and a game store all in one. And in the store, the window we're currently on, we can buy different types of games. For instance, I'm going to search for a game like Assassin's Creed. And here is Assassin's Creed Shadows. So to buy a game, what we need to do is scroll down and you'll see a button that says add to cart. So we can add to cart. And once we add to our cart, we can view our cart, and finally we can continue to payment and buy the game. So this is how we can use the game store. There are also free games that we just can install without paying. So Steam also has a free games library. You just can search for them. And another important part next to our store is our library. So our library is a place where we have games which we want to install or have already been installed. So we can launch games from our library. For instance, I've installed eFootball here, and to launch the game, I will click on play here. And you can also add games which you have not installed but want to play. For instance, PUBG is here, and to play it, I have to install it here. So to install, I click install, and it will tell me the amount of space it will take, and all I have to do is click install here. So the library is the place where you launch games and play them. And the third section I want to show you is the community. So Steam also has a built-in community where you can add friends, create a Steam family, and share games with them as well. And there are different ways to explore this, and there are different things to explore here. You can go to all and see different postings and comments from people. So these are the three main sections of Steam, and these are the main sections that you use. On the last part is your profile, where you can change settings and customize your profile as well. So this is how you use Steam as a beginner. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.